Hello and welcome to this video. I'm going to talk about past perfect. Okay, so past perfect is a very good topic to talk about two events in the past. Alright, so let's begin here with our presentation first. Okay, so we're going to talk about past perfect. So past perfect, let me just go to the part of structure. So structure, we're going to use had plus past participle. So the auxiliary had plus the past participle. Então na estrutura, nós vamos usar o had, né? Como verbo auxiliar e o past participle, ou seja, a terceira coluna, para formar o past perfect. Vamos continuar então aqui para a próxima parte com exemplo. So we have this example. I had waited a long time before I decided to leave. I had waited a long time before I decided to leave. Então, eu esperei muito tempo, né? Bastante tempo antes de eu decidir ir embora. Ok? Então, você tem dois eventos. You have two events. One that came first, one that came second in the past. Um que veio primeiro no passado e um que veio segundo, ou seja, um mais recente no passado. Alright. Então, antes da gente continuar, só lembrando, just a reminder, please like and subscribe. There are lots of people who watch the channel and they haven't subscribed. Muita gente assiste o canal e não está inscrito. Então, faça a sua inscrição. Please subscribe to the channel to support us, okay? Let's continue here now with this next part. Vamos continuar com essa próxima parte. We use past perfect to mention two events in the past. Lembrando só isso. A gente fala do past perfect para falar de dois eventos no passado. Ok? So, two events in the past. So, what are these events? Quais são esses eventos? I had waited, that is the first event in the past, a long time before I decided to leave. Decided is the second event in the past. Então, decided é o segundo evento no passado. Ok? I had waited, então foi a primeira coisa que foi feita no passado. Então, e depois veio decided. Aí depois você decidiu ir embora. Decided to leave. So again, had waited is the first event in the past. É o evento, o primeiro, o mais passado. É o had waited a long time. E o segundo evento, que é mais recente, a more recent event, is decided. I decided to leave. Eu decidi ir embora. So that is the second event. In the past is decided. Okay. So, just a reminder again to like and subscribe to the channel, please. Very important for me and for you to receive more content. And I thank you for watching. Please send me, give me comments, write comments in the comment section, ask questions, and I will answer. Então façam perguntas que eu vou responder aí no segmento de chat. Obrigada. Thank you very much and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.